Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Emily here at Curbside Herbs. We're out today harvesting some parsley. You can see my lush, fabulous green parsley we have here. I just wanted to talk to you guys for a second about harvesting parsley. So you can see that we have the parsley plant here, the nice stem and everything. And you can see right here that we have some new green growth. So you want the plant to be producing all summer long. So to ensure that that can happen, when you want to harvest some parsley, you want to harvest from the outer edge of the plant. So like this right here, I would harvest this one. You can pinch it off with your nail or use shears or kitchen scissors or whatever you have on hand. But again, you want to harvest from the outer edge of the plant, because if you harvest from the inside of the plant, then it will not produce new growth and you won't get as much of a harvest. So like I'm just going to clip this one off with my nail, and then I have, you can see here, I have my fabulous old green bowl, my harvesting bowl, and I'm just going to put them there in my bowl. So again, you see this fabulous new green growth. You want to harvest from the outside, around the outside of your plant, so that way it keeps producing all summer long.